My friends, today I want to talk to you about the power of positivity. You see, positivity is not just about seeing the glass as half full. It's about having the courage and the determination to find the good in any situation, no matter how difficult. Being a positive person is not always easy. Life can be challenging, and it can be difficult to stay optimistic when things don't go our way. But the truth is, it's not the circumstances that define us. It's how we choose to respond to them. The key to being a positive person is to focus on the present moment. Live in the here and now. And do not worry about things that have not happened yet. Instead, take things one day at a time. One step at a time. Believe in your ability to handle whatever challenges come your way. Another important aspect of being positive is to surround yourself with positive people. Choose to spend your time with people who inspire you, who uplift you, and who believe in you. This will have a powerful impact on your mindset and your outlook on life. It's also important to practice gratitude. Take the time to appreciate the things you have, rather than dwelling on what you lack. This will help you appreciate the beauty and the wonder that surrounds you. And it will help you focus on what you are truly grateful for. My friends, being positive is not always easy, but it is worth it. Positivity brings us hope. It brings us energy. And it brings us the ability to change our perspective. So I urge you to practice positivity every day. Embrace it as a way of life. And see the difference it can make in your life. Be positive. Be optimistic. And believe in yourself, no matter the circumstances. If you enjoyed this content and want to receive daily doses of affirmation and positivity, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay positive and believe in yourself.